for now. Good luck, everybody else!
Power! Power! Whoa! Woo!
Road rage is incredibly stupid, friends. Today's video is one of the dumber instances that I have ever seen. I swear, people do incredibly stupid stuff when they get behind the wheel of a car.
Good! Beautiful!
Wait, what? What? Replay? Hiya. Good. Hiya.
It's a trap! Blaster combo!
Nothing personal, mate. I'm just better.
Knight Rider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who does not exist.
Was erlauben, du!
Driving very erratically, at times very fast, very unpredictably, and you can see just kind of weaving in and out. Just a situation where this person exhibiting some very desperate behavior there.
Okay, well, you're supposed to stop on a school bus when the flashing lights are red.
I know, I got it. I got the concept.
That was your job. Your only job.
What is that?
It's huge! That's huge!
Don't see us.
Hiya.
I can't see anything.
No.
I know, I got it.
That's not how it works.
Hey, I'm walking here.
Wait, what? What?
We created it. Total fabrication.
Hurry up!
Finally! Jesus!
have you done? You are a failure. You are a failure.
Oh yeah, almost. Yep. Okay. Nice. That was textbook there.
Arrêtez, vous me faites faire trop de contenu. This is quite simply one of the coolest cars ever made. And that's obvious the moment you first take a look at it.
Sammy, you will wreck the car!
Nice.
Da ist dann die
Oh, beautiful!
It's great.
Thank you.